flying the arena. Yung tip ni Maricar Nepomuceno actually went out, and that again missed reception. Cuevas, who is the libero.
Again, yeah. It's still her being the target. Actually, dapat siya yung gusto mong iwasan. Technically, if you're the opponent, because you expect her to be the best receiver, defender.
Again, which again highlights not only the absence of Lopez, na graduate na po, pati si Isada na
Exactly, you're right.
So UP, nakikita natin ngayon, ano, yung dalawang punto mo dyan, Ian, about leadership and reception, yun yung dalawang nawala. Oo. At hinahanap pa. Over-receive. Great coverage there by National U. Look at that. Pablo adjusting with the left hand too. Chu. Myron sends it home. Sorry, that's Aganon.
7-6.
Putting it away.
Oh, that deserves a second look. Good reception. And look at that. Great middle attack from Aganon.
Butas na butas.
And you can hear Coach Francis Vicente on the sidelines, you know, play by play, telling the girls what to do. Standing up. He's on top by 11 points and he's still standing up on the sidelines.
Alam mo, balikan natin yung sinabi ni Mosey last year about her observation as Nepomuceno sends it to the other side. Her observation of NU last year, ang tagal bumagsak ng bola sa kanila last year. Diba? Parang hindi bumabagsak ng bola sa kanila. They've been so fleet-footed on the court last year at nagpapatuloy yan this year.
That's so true. That's so true. Of course, your main goal or objective is to keep that ball in play. It doesn't matter how you do it. If you want to kick it, headbutt it.
Oh, tinakma. Sabi ni Coach Francis, over na yun eh.
You have to reach back for that one.
Yan na yung sinasabi nating the father and daughter tandem. UP, the Isadas on your screens.
I'm sure if she had her jersey on, she would.
Pablo through the blockers.
Pablo off the block.
Hinido also in the lineup, and Hinido also veteran by now. She's been in that lineup, and she showed a lot of promise in her rookie sophomore year. But her performance has dipped down a bit for this last year and for this year's season. Another good block from Pablo.
Chu.
Denied.
Checked by Aganon, Byron. 19 will be serving 8 here for the second set. That's a great hit by Chu. Magkahiwalay na nga yung si Aganon tsaka si Byron. Ano?
Pero yung hang time ng Byron,
yun ang matindi. Yun ang napansin natin last year.
Yung hang time, yung abang sa bola.
Reception errors, Ian, piling up for State University.
And NU has kept up their energy. You know, even if they're up by 12 big points, it seems that they were just, in a crucial exchange and
nagkapuntos ang UP sa error pa ng
they have the right attitude. And if this is the way they're gonna approach this season, Final Four appearance is really not far off.
For the Lady Maroons.
Chu with a jump serve. Galang has also done a great job for National University. Cut shot by Byron. That, Byron again. And Aganon. Wala na yung sante dun sa play, ano?
Byron again.
Byron.
Credited for that block. Sipag kasi she came from the other side and had to scamper.
Para sa mga nanonood sa atin, hindi aksidente yung mga ganyan as net error.
Pablo.
Aksidente yung mga ganyang galaw sa court yan eh. May coordination yan, may practice yan. At syempre, may kasamang sipag. Individual na kasipagan na the initiative to help out a teammate, ano? This time.
Pablo on the right.
Pablo naman. Back set. Cross court.
Ganda nung iwas sa block.
Picture perfect looking sets for National University here. We're looking at Myla Pablo.
Was she in the lineup last year? A rookie this year, we're gonna find out now. But ngayon ko pala nakita si Pablo for the NU Lady Bulldogs.
Samantala, 22-11. Nepomuceno kahit malayo. Nakakapalo na rin. Yan din ang hindi niya nagagawa ng mabuti last year, ha? Puro siya yung malapit sa net. But now, looking like a well-rounded attacker. Maricar Nepomuceno. Sante.
Baba ang set.
Outside shot from Sante.
They thought that there was a check on the blockers of UP there. And the first referee, Rolly Casillan, signaling that indeed no touch from the blockers of UP.
Nepomuceno again. Good coverage by National U, Doc. Byron, hang time.
Nice save by Palad.
Araneta. Turned back by Sante.
Hindi na pwede yung mga ganyang malamnyang national U na. Oh.
Ayun, si
Ano
Byron na
harap niya?
naman. Let's check later on if how many blocks Byron has in this match. Because Byron has been controlling the outside hitters of UP. Outside.
Outside shot by Ramos.
Galit pa si Coach Francis to. Hindi raw nakapwesto si Galang nun. Kung sakaling lumaglag yung bola. Oh, yun yung sinasabi niya. He's correcting her that she was out of position. Swerte lang na hindi lumabas yung bola.
Pasalamat.
Oh!
I guess you can give her that.
Kumamot na lang ng ulo si Coach Francis. Napatingin na lang dito sa panel.
Bagay, 1 point
1
nga
point
naman.
na lang daw kasi.
Pero naman sa dami naman ng
Oo
sinunod
nga.
ni Byron.
But I guess you're seeing what they're all about now
I know,
this year.
yeah,
Na parang
It's obvious, it's obvious.
no stone unturned, sabi nga nila, no?
It's obvious right now.
They're perfectionist. Trying to tweak. Kasi siguro iniisip nila, if we plan to go up against the USTs, the LaSalles of this league, we cannot. Oh, diba? We cannot forgive ourselves for the smaller errors, even if it's, let's say, UP ang kalaban. No? I guess that's the attitude they're adopting. The fingertips, yung attack ni Nepomuceno, cross court. Pablo.
Oh, nice set.
Nepomuceno, the combination play once again.
Check ball.
Salibad controlling her teammates very well in the first 2 sets. And Coach Francis Vicente has pocketed 2 sets and are all set away from their first win in season 74.